Welcome to a Blackboard Ultra learning video by Texas A&M University-Kingsville. Today we'll be going over Video Studio, how it's useful, its requirements, and how to use it. My name's Dominic, and I'll guide you through today's video. Video Studio is an integration in Blackboard that allows students and professors to record their screens, cameras, and microphones directly in their course. This feature can be used in many different ways for both students and professors. For example, this can be used for tutorials, enhanced engagement, video lectures, and it generates transcripts and analytics automatically. Students can use this in discussions, journals, tests, and assignments. They have a 5-minute recording limit and an upload limit of 5 GB. Professors can use this in announcements, content pages, assignments, discussions, journals, tests, and forums. Along with that, videos made with Video Studio will not count towards the 2 GB course limit. You're also able to upload up to 10 GB per file. The requirements to use Visual Studio are different depending on what you'd like to create. If you want to make a video with your webcam, you'll need to have a camera. If you'd like to talk during the video, you'll need to make sure your computer has a microphone. There are a handful of ways to access Video Studio. Students can find it from this interface by pressing the camera icon. Professors can do everything a student can, as well as create them from the homepage, inside of documents, announcements, and inside of most content. Be on the lookout for a camera icon to figure out where to access Video Studio. It's mainly in most editing areas. When you click the icon, you'll be shown this screen. Now we're in the Video Studio interface. There are several options here, but we'll start at the bottom first. The button says Upload from Device, which means that if you have a different video you would like to upload, such as a Zoom video, you can upload it here. This is good because you'll be able to see the stats on the video, and it will generate a transcript for you to edit. Now we'll look at the buttons. The camera button enables the camera and microphone, but disables the screen share. The audio button only enables the microphone and nothing else can be enabled. The screen button only enables the screen share and nothing else can be enabled. The audio and screen button enables both the microphone and screen share, but disables the camera. If you want to use all 3 of these options at once, then recording a Zoom video and uploading it here would be a better solution. I'll showcase the audio and screen button because it's able to showcase everything except the camera option. In this interface, we'll be prompted to select the screen to share. It asks if I want to share a Microsoft Edge tab, a window, or my entire screen. If I click the Window tab, I can see all open applications on my computer and select the one I want to share. If I wanted to share my entire screen, I could go to the Entire Screen tab and select the screen I want to share. For me, I'll go back to the Microsoft tab and select the Duck website I wanted to cover in my lesson. When you're ready, press the Share button. This will automatically open anything you've decided to share. Navigate back to the Blackboard tab in order to keep editing. If at any point you want to stop sharing your screen, press the Stop Sharing button. It's important to know that you cannot change what you're sharing while you're recording, and if you press Stop Sharing during a recording, it will automatically stop and process your video. If you want to change tabs before recording, click on the Screen Share button and select the tab you'd like to share. To mute the mic, press the mic icon. If you selected the camera option before, you can turn off the camera by clicking its button. Unlike the screen share, you are able to turn off both your camera and mic while recording. To change your mic, click on the caret icon and select the mic you'd like to use. The same can be done with the camera. This cannot be changed while recording. Now you're all set to record a video. I'll record a quick video so that I can go over the stats portion of the Video Studio. When you're ready to record, click Start Recording. Once you've completed the video, you can press the End button. In this new area, rename the title to whatever fits best. You can replay your video by pressing the Play button. When you're done, click Save Video. To view the analytics of your video, click on it and press the pencil icon. For those that made the video the other way, press on the gear icon in the top right, then select Edit Video. In this new tab, we can rename the video or change it to a 360 video. The 360 video is useful for VR. In the left side, press on Analytics. In this tab, you can see the total views, individual viewers, average time viewed, and the total watch time. The total views is the count of every time this video is opened to watch. Individual viewers is the unique number of students who open this video. These analytics are good to determine how your students are engaging with your video. If your video has audio, you'll be able to see a transcript tab when it finishes generating. You can access the transcript by pressing the View Transcript button here, or by going inside the editor and finding this new tab called Transcript. In this tab, we can see the entire transcript of the video. If we press the pencil icon, we can edit the text and the name of the speaker. Press the check mark to apply your changes. Once we press Save Video, the transcript will update. You've now learned how to use Video Studio in Blackboard Ultra to record, upload, and manage educational videos for your course. We covered its benefits, the tools needed to get started, and how to capture your screen, audio, and camera content. Plus, we explored how to view detailed video analytics to better understand student engagement and to comply with accessibility to transcripts. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!